Look, I want to share the special spots that you guys go to and our team members go to here in Orlando with our members. So when they're here on vacation, we can give them a little bit of secret sauce of what really makes a vacation special. So, you ready?
Yes.
All right, Abed, you're starting us off.
Deal.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. All right, Abed, here we go. So we're going to 1908 Cafe and Bakery, is that right?
That's right. That's
Okay.
correct.
So tell me a little bit about it while I drive.
It's an amazing coffee shop. It's many owners ask for direction to even get there already. It's nice atmosphere, nice place, nice ambiance for the place. Enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. It's really nice. You'll like it.
Well, I'm excited to get there and see what it's about. So you talk to the members a lot, which is great, right? And that's the most important part of what we do every day. So, you know, being at SeaWorld, which is one of our most beloved resorts in the HGV collection, tell me a little bit about what you're hearing from the members, you know, what's been going on lately at SeaWorld, just some different things.
And actually, September this year, we will be celebrating 30-year anniversary.
Oh, that's amazing.
Of
Yeah,
SeaWorld.
amazing. Congratulations.
So it's going to be a huge party. Obviously,
Do
you'll
I get
be
an
there.
invite?
Of course. As far as the team, you touched on it. We just received our 5th consecutive outstanding quality assurance audit with 96.66.
Interesting. I always tell the members, you know, that's what the maintenance fees and HOA dues go towards, is maintaining that level of excellence that you just achieved at SeaWorld and providing, you know, quality vacations for them. We're getting ready to pull up to 1908 Cafe. I'm so excited to have a good coffee, share some of your secrets there. So let's go in there, get there, and show the members what it's all
Absolutely. Can't wait to show you.
Thank you. Wow.
We're in for a treat.
Look at this place. Yes. We are in for a treat. Plural.
about. Let's get some coffee, yeah.
Okay.
So I got the matcha latte with, what was it with?
Lavender cheese.
Lavender cheese foam. I gotta go get this
If
right.
only,
Everything, of
I think my
course.
eyes are bigger than my stomach.
You don't have to have lunch today, you know.
But that looks good too. I'm sticking
one?
with this. I'm sticking with this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We take the first sip.
Right.
Here we go.
I'm
Let's
so
see.
looking forward to this.
That's pretty good.
Wow,
Yummy.
that's
That's
super
pretty good.
great.
Tell us just a little bit about what you're hearing from the members. Talk maybe about some of the exciting things going on before we go in and let them order the whole menu.
Great, thank you, Derek. No, really excited. We have a tremendous team of very tenured hospitality professionals, and you know we love to spend time with our owners and members. And so every week we have owner and member events, and so it's a good time to engage and to recommend things to.
So you mean the owner events and member events on property, and then also our Ultimate Access
Oh
platform?
yeah. That's the icing on the cake, right? So many events are happening here in the Orlando area and elsewhere as well. And so we always recommend before you come to check in, see what's happening, and see what would interest you through the Ultimate Access events.
Yeah, and that's great advice. You know, we always say that we want to focus on not just the stay. It's the most important part of the vacation, right? But
Yeah.
we want to make sure it's a special experience for the families too. So keep doing a great job. I'm excited. How good's the pizza?
It's excellent.
Let's go.
A slice or a pie?
I'm just
That's the
doing a
question.
slice because we got a long day ahead of us. So I'm just
Okay.
one, well, maybe two.
Okay.
We'll see.
I'm
Let's
sure
go.
Abed has picked out a piece.
Oh, he's ready to go. I'm gonna go with the classic cheese, please.
How do you make a choice?
You must be Sal.
Sal, maybe we throw in one grandma too, just to be safe.
Thank you.
How many are you getting, I bet?
2.
Just kidding.
Plenty of options. Plenty of options.
Hey,
We're coming out in a moment.
Two more on top of
Bon
this.
appetito.
Oh boy, here it comes.
hey, Derek, I'll hang out with you any day.
Well, I can't do this every day.
You don't do this every day?
No, I don't do this every
come
day.
All right. Like the crust.
Yeah. That brick oven.
A lot of silence. It's a good sign.
Oh yeah, hungry people here.
All right, Kevin.
Hello.
Here we are. Your pick for the end of the day.
This is the way we
To
go
really
out.
enjoy ourselves.
That's
But before
right.
we get into that, listen, I wanted you to say a little bit about what's going on in your region as the Senior Vice President of Resort Operations. Big responsibility. We've got a lot on our plate. You've done a lot of great work with resort integration and many things going on. Just give myself and the members a little insight to what you're really excited about, what you see going on in the regions.
Wow. Okay, we got so much, right? We're full steam ahead on renovations, virtually every property. We're adding brand new product, right? Mill Springs is open.
Yeah, that's great.
And we're getting ready to open up Stonewater Cove in Branson,
Awesome.
our first joint venture partnership with Bass Pro Shops.
Excellent.
Super excited about that. Of course, Mystic Dunes Golf Course just got top 10 most improved golf courses by Golf Pass across the United States. So our team members keep working super hard, making great vacation dreams come true.
Look, you guys do a great job. I'm super excited. I think that continues for the next couple of years. So we'll see that grow and mature even more in the next couple of years. So you ready to kick us off?
I'm excited.
All right, let's see it.
Woo-hoo.
Pinstripes. Let's see
Alana.
it. Let's go.
And we got lots riding on this game today.
Let's go.
Oh.
We'll be able to edit that.
Better edit this one.
Wow. Yeah! One and done. That's why he's the boss.
Awesome day, guys. Congrats. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and most importantly, thank you for your membership. We had a great time. I hope as you travel and you go on your own vacation adventures and journeys, you visit places like this, our team is going to be more than willing to help you with those experiences. We're really excited for the future, and on behalf of HGV, have great vacations to come.